5K, good morning. I hope you're having a good day so far. Let's have a good math meeting today. Let's start by talking about how many days are there in a week. Do you remember off the top of your head and not counting? Yeah, there's 7 days in a week. Let's sing the song that helps us remember. Ready? There are seven, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. And what day is today? Yesterday was Tuesday. That's my hint for you. What does that make today? Yeah, that makes today Wednesday. Wednesday. And now that we know today is Wednesday, let's move on to our months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? Let's count today just to be sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in a year. Very good. Let's stand up on the ground and do the song and the dance that helps us remember our months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job, 5K. Thanks for doing that with me. And do you remember what month we're in right now of the 12 months? It starts with an O. October, right? We're in October. And what day in October? Well, let's look. Here's our calendar. And yesterday was this day. Yesterday was the 13th. It was our first teen number. What does that make today if yesterday was the 13th? Yeah, that makes today the 14th. 13, 14. Remember. And then what two numbers make a 14? 14? Yeah, a 1 and a 4 make 14. That's right. Wednesday, the 14th. And boys and girls, what shape is today if yesterday was a rectangle? Remember, our pattern is rectangle, circle, circle. So if we have a rectangle yesterday, what shape is today? Yeah, that makes today a circle, the first of the two circles. And so we have a 14 and a circle. All right. Now that we know that today is October 14th, we can write it. So if you have a pencil and a paper, go ahead and write the date with me as I do it. So first thing we always do when we write the date, what's the first part? Yeah, the month always comes first. So let's write the month, which as we said is October. And what's special about every first letter of a month? Yeah, it's capitalized, right? Because it's the first letter of the name. So go ahead and make that first capital O, October, on your paper. There we go. And what's the next letter in October? Uh, what letter makes sound? Yeah, C, a lowercase c will be next. So you can go ahead and make your nice, neat C. And after our C, uh, what letter makes that sound? Yep, a T does. So you can go ahead and make a regular T, not with this fancy T here. Just top to bottom, and then cross and vanilla, right? That's how we start these. All right, boys and girls. What letter comes after this T? What letter is this here? Just a regular circle. Yep, it's an O, a lowercase o. Two O's in October, right? but one is capitalized and one is lowercase. Yeah. All right, let's move on to our next letter. October. What letter makes a b sound in October? Yeah, B does. And to make a B, remember we go top to bottom, and then we get belly to the right of that line. Belly to the right. That's how we make a B. And do you remember why the last two letters in October go together? Yeah, they make the sound. They say together. And they have to E-R, right? So go ahead and make your E-R. To make an E, you go between vanilla, the bottom line, you go to the right, and then you make a C. Like that. All right, that's how you make a lowercase e. And then you can make an R by going from vanilla to the bottom, tracing back up, and then giving it a hook, right? October. And now we're done writing October. What's the month? Very good. Let's move on to the day. What day did we say we're in October? 1 4 makes 14, right? All right, let's make 14. First in 14 comes a 1, right? So go ahead and make a 1 top to bottom, and the number in 14 is a 4, right? So go ahead, down slide right, and cut it in half like that. 14. And then what do we always need? A small that comes between the day and the year. Yeah, your cute little comma right on that bottom line. Separate the day and the year. And then we can finally write our year, right? What year are we in again? 2020, that's right. And the first number in 2020 is a 2, right? So go ahead and make it a nice neat 2 by curving down and sliding to the right, like that. For 2, we need a 0, yeah. We can make a 0 just like we make our capital O's. After our 0, we can finally make another 2, yep. Curve down and slide right for that one. And finally, our last number in our date, 2020, right? Another 0, same as before. All right, boys and girls, you know what time it is. You can grab a marker and a mouse. Ready? Set, go. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 14th, 2020. Good job, Stephanie. Thanks for doing that with me. Let's move on to our number line to show how many days we've been in school so far. Whew, look where we are. Yesterday was our 33rd day in school. What number comes after 33? 33, 34, right? And what two letter or numbers of 34? 3 and a 4, right? So you can, well, I'll put it up here. 34 days in school. And then I will color for you because I hear 34th square for days in school. All right. Now we can move on to, here you go, 34 days. How many tens are there in 34? How many tens? Yep, 3 tens in 34. As you can see that's in that place. Turn around and around again for that one. And then the ones, how many ones are in 34? Yep, 4 ones in 34. So that is going to go in the ones place there. All right, boys and girls, we can move on to our pattern for today. And this is a special kind of pattern that we learned about last week in math. It's one where there's one item and then two of the next item. So say it with me so far, the shapes that we have. Ready? Triangle, circle, circle. This, if you don't remember from last week, this is called an ABV pattern because there's one type, A, and then two of another type, BB. So when we have an ABV pattern, what comes next for this pattern, for this ABV pattern? Yeah, a triangle is going to come next. This will be our A, right? So if you're writing this triangle, if you're writing this pattern with me, you can make a triangle. Three sides, right? And what comes next after our triangle if this repeats itself, right? What comes next? Yeah, now we're having our first B, our circle. So go ahead and make a circle if you're making it with me. And finally, our last shape in our ABB pattern. Yep, another circle. Two circles in a row, right? Let's say it all together to double our work. Ready? Right, ready? Here we go. Triangle, circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle. All right. Thanks for doing that with me. We can move on to the weather. All right, go ahead and check your window to see what it's like by your house, and we'll do the weather song. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, I thought that it was going to be a sunny day today, so I hope it's a sunny day for you because I like sunny days too. Ready? Let's do our sunny song. Ready? It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. All right, I'll put our sunny up here, our sunny tag. And now we have one more sunny, so it's kind of catching up to cloudies. How many more cloudy days are there than sunny days right now in our graph? Can you tell by looking at it how many more cloudy days there are than sunny? Yeah, if you said there are two more cloudy days than sunny days, you were correct. And you can see that because there are two more than this tower of sunnies. Ready? See? One, two more. So let's do our last part today, which is our shapes. Let's talk about our shapes. What shape has three sides? Yeah, a triangle has three sides. And no matter which way I show it to you, if it's like upside down or sideways, it's still a triangle, right? If it has three sides. What kind of shape has four sides and they're all the same? All the sides are the same. Yeah, that's a square. Four sides and they are all the same length. That's a square. And what is a shape that has no sides that's just round all the way around? Yeah, that's a circle, right? No sides at all, no corners or angles. And finally, what kind of shape has four sides, but two of the sides are longer than the other two? Starts with an R. Yep, a rectangle. And it can be sideways, it can be tall like this, just has to have two long and two short, right? So boys and girls, that is the end of our math meeting today. Have a good rest of your school day and your Wednesday.